Hello everyone! Welcome back to our channel. In today's video, you'll learn real-life English conversations that happen at cafes and coffee shops. These are practical, everyday English expressions that native speakers use when ordering coffee, asking questions, using Wi-Fi, picking up mobile orders, and having casual conversations at a cafe. You'll practice useful English expressions for many real situations, including ordering hot and iced drinks, changing milk options, asking for help with the menu, and talking with baristas naturally and confidently. This video is perfect for beginners who want to speak more naturally in cafes, restaurants, and everyday situations. All right, let's practice English together. Situation 1. Ordering a morning coffee.
Good morning. I'd like a hot Americano, please.
Of course. What size would you like today?
A medium size is fine for me.
Would you like room for cream in your coffee?
Yes, please. I like adding a little cream myself.
No problem. Would you like anything to eat today?
Yes, a muffin, please.
Great choice. Your total comes to $8.
Here's my card. Thank you very much.
Thank you. Your order will be ready shortly.
Thank you.
Situation 2. Ordering a cold drink on a hot day.
Hello. It is so hot outside today. I need something cold. I agree. We have many iced drinks. What do you feel like?
I want an iced tea, but with no sugar, please.
Our fresh black iced tea has no sugar at all.
Perfect. I'll take one. I'll take a large size.
You got it. Would you like a lemon slice in it?
Yes, please. That would be lovely.
Great choice. That will be $4. Here is my money. I want to take a big sip right now. It will be ready at the pickup area in a minute.
Situation 3. Asking about sweet drinks.
Excuse me, which drink is not too sweet?
Our vanilla latte is popular and only lightly sweetened.
That sounds good, but can you make it less sweet?
Absolutely. We can reduce the syrup for you.
Perfect. I'm trying to cut back on sugar these days.
I understand. Would you like hot or iced today?
I'll have it hot because it's chilly outside.
Sounds good. Would you like whipped cream on top?
No, thank you. I'd like to keep it simple.
No problem. I'll make that for you right away.
Thank you.
Situation 4. Ordering coffee and breakfast.
Hi there. Do you still serve breakfast this morning? Yes, we do. Breakfast is available until 11 o'clock.
Wonderful. I'd like a ham and cheese sandwich.
Sure. Would you like a drink with that?
Yes, I'll have a hot latte with oat milk.
Of course. Would you like the sandwich toasted?
Yes, please. I like my bread warm and crispy.
That sounds delicious. Anything else for today?
No, that should be enough for me.
Great. Your order will be ready in just a few minutes.
Situation 5. Asking for the restroom password.
Excuse me, can you tell me where the restroom is?
Sure, it's in the back on the left side.
Thanks. Is it open or do I need a key?
It has a digital lock. The code is on your receipt.
Oh, I threw away my receipt. Can you tell me the code?
No problem. The code is *1234.
*1234. Got it. Do I need to press anything else?
Just press the star button again at the end.
Okay, thank you so much, dear.
Situation 6. Changing milk to oat milk.
Hi. I'd like a hot latte, but regular milk makes my stomach hurt.
We can change the milk for you. We have oat milk and almond milk. I want to try oat milk. Does it taste good in a latte? Yes, it is very creamy and popular.
Sounds good. Let's do oat milk. Is there an extra cost?
Yes, it's 75 cents extra. Is that okay?
That's fine. It's worth it for my stomach.
Perfect. I will tell the barista to make it with oat milk.
Thank you, dear.
You're welcome.
Situation 7. Asking for help with the menu.
Excuse me, I'm having trouble reading the menu board.
No worries. I'd be happy to help you.
Thank you. What kind of coffee do you recommend?
Our caramel latte is very popular with customers.
Is it very strong or more smooth and creamy?
It's smooth, creamy, and not too strong at all.
That sounds perfect for me this morning.
Would you like it hot or iced today?
I'll take it hot, please.
Great choice. I'll prepare that for you now.
Situation 8. Ordering for a friend too.
Hello, I'd like to order 2 drinks, please. Certainly. What can I get started for you? 1 cappuccino for me and 1 iced coffee for my friend.
Sure thing. Would you like any flavor syrup added? No syrup for mine, but vanilla is fine for hers. Got it. Would you like anything to eat as well? Yes, one of those blueberry scones, please.
Excellent choice. That blueberry scone is very popular today. I've heard good things about it from my neighbors. Wonderful. Here you go.
Enjoy!
Situation 9. Asking about decaf coffee.
Excuse me, do you serve decaf coffee here?
Yes, we do. We can make any drink decaf.
That's good to hear. Caffeine keeps me awake at night.
A lot of customers say the same thing.
I'd like a decaf latte with low-fat milk, please.
Of course. Would you like an extra shot of espresso?
No, thank you. I prefer a mild coffee flavor.
No problem at all. Anything else for today?
Maybe just a small cookie on the side.
Perfect. I'll bring your order out shortly.
Situation 10. Asking for Wi-Fi information.
Excuse me, I am trying to use my tablet. Do you have Wi-Fi?
Yes, we have free Wi-Fi for everyone.
I see the network name, but it asks for a password.
Yes, the password is CoffeeLover2026. All lowercase letters.
Let me type it in. Wait, it is loading very slowly.
Sometimes it does that. Try turning your Wi-Fi off and on again.
Oh, it worked. Now the signal is very strong.
Great! Now you can use the internet without problems.
Wonderful. Now I can video call my family. Enjoy your call.
Situation 11. Picking up a mobile order.
Hello. I placed an order on my phone earlier.
Sure. Can I have your name, please?
Yes, it's Susan Parker. Let me check. Yes, your order is ready right here. Wonderful. Thank you for checking so quickly.
You ordered a hot mocha and a turkey sandwich, correct?
Yes, that's right. Everything looks perfect.
Would you like some napkins before you go?
Yes, please. That would be very helpful. Here you are. Have a wonderful afternoon.
Thank you, dear.